Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will talk about the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First going to do here is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in the very near term, that 67-cent mark is now going to be the main area of resistance. So if the price does continue to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the first big question mark resides. It's not necessarily can the price get back up to 67 cents, but more importantly, can the price break above it and stay above it? So on that note, 67 cents will definitely be that first key level that you're going to want to watch very closely in the resistance side of things. If the price can push up through that level, the next key level you would want to keep an eye on is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, current value of that right up there at the 69-cent mark. So in other words, 67 cents, 69 cents, two key near-term levels of resistance. What about levels of support moving forward? Well, the near-term level of support now that you would ideally want to see the price hold up above sits right there at the 63-cent mark. If the price does go down to 63 cents and can't quite hold above that, then the next key technical level of support would be not until down there around the 59-cent mark. So keep your eye on those areas moving forward. As right now, I would still just consider this a pullback. Yeah, it's a little bit deeper pullback than on what some people would want, but overall, it's still got plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.